What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video taking a look at a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter audio auxiliary jack cable. Now this was sent out to me by Syncwire, so a big shout out to them for providing this for a review. You can pick this up on Amazon.com for $12.99. So this is the Syncwire-Type C to 3.5 millimeter male headphone car stereo card, compatible with your Samsung devices, iPads that have the Type C, with your Pixel devices, and just about all devices that have the Type C. You're going to be able to use this with. Like I said, you can pick it up on Amazon. This is the black color. And let's look at a few more of the features and details here, guys. So it's wide compatibility. As you can see, the Samsung devices, your Google devices, Apple, OnePlus, Huawei, Xiaomi, and others. So you can use that with all of those. So this has an intelligent DAC chip inside of it. Built-in high-performance independent smart DAC chips restore real hi-fi sound quality. So that is nice to have that. Superior build, as you guys see. This is going to have the 24 gold-plated connector, nylon braided, 10,000 plus plug-in tests, and simple, superior, and reliable. And this is telling you where you can use this. You're going to be able to use it in your cars, your dual plug headphones, and your speakers. Also compatible with all of this here, your laptops, your tablets, phones, and things of that nature. And that is pretty much it, guys. So if you want to read some more about this device, I will drop the link in the description, and you can go check it out and pick it up if you want. I'll have a link down there as well. So here's the packaging that it comes in. As you guys see, USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter male audio cable, Syncwire. This is 3.3 feet long as well. And here's a few more of the specs right here. This is going to be you can connect this to all devices that do not have the 3.5 millimeter auxiliary port, to your home, car, stereo speakers, amplifiers, earphones, etc. High fidelity stereo sound provided by the DAC. We went over that. Aluminum, alloy, and nylon braid design ensures a longer lifespan. And portable and flexible, no worry about knots or kinks. All right, so let's get into the packaging, guys, and check this out. All right, guys, so let's see the cable and what else inside of it. So that's that. So you're going to get a user's guide in here as well, guys. There's the user's guide. Let's take a quick glance at this. And that's it there, guys. So you get that in the packaging. And you get the cable. So here's the cable. Very nice cable, man. As you can see, it's got that gold plating. And here's your Type-C end of it. Got that braided, nice braided look to it there. And it's 3 feet long. So we're going to go ahead and get a device out and put it in use, guys. And let's see what we got here. So the cable's going to be durable. All right, so there it is. So 3 feet long. Let's get a device in and check it out, guys. All right, guys, as you guys see, I brought in a couple things here. So I got my Soundcore Anchor Life Q30 headphones over here, and I got my TrebLab speaker over here. Now, this has 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on it. So I got it plugged in there. Now I'm gonna bring in my Google Pixel 6 Pro. It has the headphone jack on the bottom of it. So we're going to go ahead and crank up something here. Let's get in. I already had a cut chosen here. So we got some chosen beats, laid back from Tana, chosenbeat.club. Let's go ahead and fire it up and see what it sounds like. So I know you guys probably can't hear it too good, but it is playing through the headphones. No issues there. So we're going to stop it. Now this is just an example of a couple things that you can use the cable with. I'm going to plug it into my TrebLab. The Type-C is on the bottom here. So let's go ahead and get this going. You should be able to hear this a whole lot better here. So let's crank it up again. So no issues with the cable working. It works great. Now, like I said, you can use this with your laptops, with your tablets, use it in your automobile. You can use it wherever you want to use it. And it's going to be a durable case, durable cable as well. As you guys see, very nice cable. So drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. This is the Syncwire USB-C, the 3.5 millimeter male audio cable. Pick it up on Amazon.com, Wheels, Gadgets, and more. I'm out.